Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you a project of an industrial factory in Guangdong that was produced and installed by our company. This project uses fiber fabric, rubber and plastic composite air ducts. The ducts are circular with diameters of 1000毫米 and 800毫米. And the total length of the ducts is approximately 328 meters. Both the inner and outer layers of the ducts are made of AR-grade fire-resistant fabric, and the middle layer is made of BE-grade rubber and plastic insulation cotton. The ducts are installed using a concealed double-row sliding rod suspension method, and the color of the ducts is gray. The air ducts in this project use nozzle air supply, which can achieve uniform and gentle air distribution.